Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Frigidaire Dishwasher Tine Row Holder. It's going to be a very easy repair and it's only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Tine Row Holder. The Tine Row Holder holds the Tine Row to the upper dish rack. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged and the Tine Row is loose. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door and pull out the upper rack. Once you have the rack out, you can see there's 4 Tine Row holders. They're all changed out the same way. In order to get it off, we're just going to lift up from underneath and unclip it from the rack and slide it off the Tine Row. You want to be careful you don't lose this bushing. Once you have it off, you can pull it out of the dishwasher. Here's the old Tine Row holder next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new Tine Row holder in, we're just going to slide it onto the Tine Row and lock it onto the rack. Once you have the part installed, we can push the upper dish rack back in, close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.